Hi, today in front of me Realme 10 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll and tap to sounds and vibration section. Here you'll see a ringtone volume panel. Just to change the ringtone volume we should slide to the left or to the right side this dark dot. Also we can make it with the help of our volume buttons. Just press up or down volume button and now we can see that we just successfully changed ringtone volume. But be sure first that in advanced settings in volume button function you have selected ringtone volume, not the media, and after that by this way you can change ringtone volume and also you can slide to the up or to the down this volume panel. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.